if I go this way, it'll be too frozen. If I put it where it says it's recommended, it'd be too warm, above 40, and then it's dangerous. See, this here is the temperature of this module, and this here is the temperature of the external module that's in the refrigerator. And I put it in there, and it's going between 31, which is freezing, and 39, which is just 1 degree below the danger level, because the danger level is above 40. If I raise the temperature a little bit so it doesn't freeze, then it'll be above 40. This is I put the thermometer in a baggie, so it'll protect it from it being wet and whatnot, stuff like that. Remember now, this is the temperature of this one is this thermometer, and the temperature of this one is this thermometer, and this is remote. You can take it and put it other places, but I put it inside the baggie so that it won't get wet. Okay, here we have a really cool thermostat setup. This is the temperature that's this one is reading. This is the temperature that this one is reading. This is designed so that this one will be in your house, and you'll see this temperature in your house. And then when this is outside, you'll see the outside temperature. But you can take this and put it in other places and do really, really cool tests with it. So what I'll explain later what the tests are, because